right, to make this clear, here's the layout. For the microwave cabinets, the back will have a panel since you see it through the window, and the microwaves sit on top. And then just a countertop on top, and then the microwaves. This cabinet will have to have a finished side because of this window. The two sinks, and then these drawer stacks either side. A couple things to clarify on this wall. The plans that I received, this was 134, but when I measured, that's what I've got. Inside width for the sinks, I've got this cabinet from the wall to the right side is 15 inches, assuming this is just a 36-inch wide fridge. The plan showed 36 and 5/8. Maybe that's exact, but take a look at these measurements, make sure the sink will fit. These base cabinets, the depth of the cabinet case is 22.5, and then the door is 3/4 of an inch thick. For commercial jobs, typically they want from the wall to the front of the countertop edge at 24, so that's why these are shorter. And then this range wall, again, 30-inch range. It showed like 31 and 5/16, and then drawer stacks either side, and this freestanding fridge. But that's what I've got for this job. Let me know, because there's several plans we're looking at. I don't think this most recent plan had any floating shelves. I saw something on top of the microwaves. I don't know if you wanted a cubby that sat on top of the countertop. Cubbies for all the microwaves to sit in, but let me know. And then everything's horizontal grain. This would be the orientation of those big handles. All right, thanks.